this is my mini 42 Lolita haul with a bunch of different wintry stuff in it. You can use my discount code I_forgot_reality for a discount at 42 Lolita. But anyways, let's get into it because I'm really excited, and this first piece is something that I do not own in my Lolita wardrobe, like whatsoever. So it is my first ever. Are you ready for this? Because it's literally so cute. Ready? 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 Look! It's a salopette. It's so freaking cute, and it's sweet, and I'm honestly just obsessed with it. Like, the straps are adjustable. All of these buttons are little hearts. Look at the bow. It has a zip up the side too. I don't own a salopette, which is shocking. And for this one, with all of the bunnies to be my first, it even has a bow on the back, and it comes with a little bunny tail, which is somewhere over here. So it's so cute. Okay, so that's the one non-wintry thing in this haul. Prepare yourself for the wintry cuteness. We are going to start it off with some winter, well, the rest are winter coats, spoiler alert. But this first one is a shorter jacket, and I just love it. I love the color. It's like this really nice off-white. It has pin tucks. I don't know if you can see the buttons, but they're like heart pearls. And the sleeves too have a button on them, so you can roll them up. This one is definitely like more of a fall spring coat. It is lined, but it is a bit thinner than the other coats you will see, but it's so cute. And I love to just like the cut of this and where it falls, because you know it's gonna be perfect for the poof. It's not gonna take away from your Lolita silhouette, and you can still see your print when you wear it, unlike long Lolita jackets. So I'm obsessed with this one. But wait, okay, so I opened this in my YouTube review and I like absolutely freaked out because of what this is lined with. Guess what this is lined with? If you guessed minky or like baby blanket fabric, you are totally correct. Like, look, it's a blanket inside. It's lined as a blanket. It's literally so soft. I was like petting it on camera when I was filming earlier, and it's a longer one too. Like, look how cute it is. It has these little detachable like bunny ears on the collar. It has 2 rows of buttons. It has all of these lovely ruffles, and the sleeves, not the sleeves, what are these called? Pockets. And the pockets have little bows on them, and they're kind of like on an angle. They're so cute. It's literally so cute, and I can't believe like the bodice is lined with this blanket fabric. The sleeves are just regular lining. But this one is definitely, you know, you can wear it in winter. It'll keep you warm because it has a lot of heft to it. And I threw out my shoulder a couple days ago, so I'm actually gonna put this down. It's really bad. My shoulder is no bueno. That's Spanish. Okay. Yeah, okay. Where's last one that my cat is laying on? Hi, Mila. Can you get off of this, please, baby? Whoa. Say hi to Mila. Mila, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Okay. This last one, that was my absolute favorite, that my cat loves, is by Alice Girl, so you know it's high quality. And look at it, it's so pretty. Isn't this like the most perfect color ever to exist? Like, and it's long, like you can't even see the end of it on camera right now. It is super long. This is longer than my long version JSK that I'm wearing currently. Like, the pockets have ruffles, they have bows. These are actually ginormous deep pockets. Your phone will fit in this. Look at the bow. The bow's detachable. It has ruffles here. It even has ruffles on the cuff of the sleeve, which is so cute. And okay, I know what you're thinking. You're like, I don't want to do 2 buttons. Like, this is a lot of buttons. Newsflash, they're snaps. They're so much easier. All the other 2 jackets, buttons. These, snaps. Did you see that? That's how fast I did it. And there's a bow on the back. I love this one. I was wearing this for like the past hour around my apartment until it got too hot. And all of these jackets, by the way, I ordered in a size large and sensory friendly. Like, it is not tight in the armpit area. It's not tight in the sleeves. It's not tight across the bust or the torso. I can actually wear these, and I'm someone who really struggles to find winter jackets that I can wear without feeling like I'm suffocating. Like, these are so sensory friendly. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me for my mini 42 Lolita haul. If you want to see my full haul on YouTube, feel free to check that out. My username's Lainey in Wonderland. And my discount code for 42Lolita is I_forgot_reality, and you can use that and get yourself a little discount. Seriously though, get that Alice girl winter coat. It's so good. It's so good. Okay, anyways, bye.